In this video, I will teach a short lesson about VFX. So please watch till end, and if you want more information like this, just subscribe and press the bell icon. So let's get started. What is VFX? Visual effects is a term used to describe imagery created, manipulated or enhanced for any film or other moving media that cannot take place during live action shooting. VFX is the integration between actual footage and this manipulated imagery to create a realistic looking environment for the context.
VFX category. At first we saw modeling, animation, texturing and shading, effects, rendering, match moving, rotoscopy and compositing.
Modeling. Modeling is a process to create characters, weapons, plants and animals on a computer in 3D. They start with a whip, which might be 2D or 3D, art produced by a concept artist, or they can work from reference material such as photographs or line drawing sketches, which can be scanned into 3D software. Softwares used for modeling: Autodesk Maya, Autodesk 3D Studio Max, Pixologic ZBrush, Autodesk Smartbox, Foundry Modo. Animation. Animation is a method of photographing successive drawings, models or even puppets to create an illusion of movement in a sequence. Software used for animation. Almost every industry used Maya for creating animation because Maya is the base software for keyframe animation. In 1998, Maya is released, which is developed by Autodesk. The first film made in Maya is Dinosaur, released in 2000 by Disney, and get much popularity for this flawless working. Maya got already 3 Oscars. Texturing and shading. Texture are two-dimensional images which are wrapped around the three-dimensional geometry, which drive the calculation of the header. There are procedural textures which are generated by function in the shader code, or regular textures which are regular images. Software used for texturing and shading. At first, Autodesk Maya, Autodesk 3D Studio Max, Foundry Mari, Substance Painter, Adobe Photoshop. Effects. An effects artist create the visual effects in movies, TV shows and games. These are responsible for creating smoke, fire, destruction, water, as well as smallest effects such as objects, clothing or liquid simulation in a glass. The goal is to create seamless effects so the audience does not think about the fact that the effects are computer generated. This can take countless hours of research into real life phenomena. Watching reference videos and even building new tools for term to use. Effects artists are essential in today's entertainment business, as most film, TV shows and games require digital effects. Software used for effects. There are 2 software which are used for creating effects. At first, SideFX Houdini and then Autodesk Maya. Rendering. Rendering or image synthesis is the automatic process of generating a photorealistic or non-photorealistic image from a 2D or 3D model or model in what collectively could be called a scenes file. By means of computer program, the term rendering may be by analogy with an artist's rendering of a scene. Software used for rendering. There are 3 software used for rendering. At first, Autodesk Arnold, next V-Ray and then Pixar Renderman. All 3 softwares are most popular, but Renderman is the first rendering software which got Oscar. It is first used for only internet tool, but then it is used for commercial software. Renderman worked in Avatar, Terminator 2, Titanic, Lords of the Rings and much more movies. Match moving. Match moving, which is also referred to as motion tracking. It is important for any VFX artist to understand. This process of matching the movement of the live action footage with a virtual camera is called match moving, because you are trying to match the motion of the camera. Software used for match moving. There are three software which are used for match moving: 3D Equalizer, Synthesis, VF Track. 3D Equalizer. It is most popular for match moving. It worked in production houses since 1996. 3D Equalizer got Technical Achievement Award in 2001. Rotoscopy. Rotoscoping is an animation technique that animator use to trace over motion picture footage frame by frame to produce realistic action. In the visual effects industry, rotoscoping is the technique of manually creating a matte for an element on a live action plate so it is may composited over another background. Software used for rotoscopy. There are two software used for rotoscopy: Silhouette and Mocha Pro. These two programs are got technical Oscar because they have much features and every VFX production houses have those two softwares. Compositing. Compositing is the combination of visual elements from separate sources into single image, often to create the illusion that all those elements are parts of the same scene. Live action shootings for compositing is variously called chroma key, blue screen, green screen and others names. Software used for compositing. There are two software used for compositing. One Founder Nuke and then Blackmagic Design Fusion. Nowadays, many VFX industry develop VFX softwares for their work, but they not release those software for public. It's helped them to their flawless and time maintaining working experience. At last, here a question for all of you viewers. Can we use Adobe After Effects in VFX production house for compositing? Comment your answer in the video comment box.